Hi everybody, this here is a Garmin 66 ST. It's the same thing as a 66i, but it does not have the inReach technology built into it. I have had issues with downloading BirdsEye imagery on this forever, and because Garmin no longer supports BirdsEye imagery officially, I just decided to give this thing a factory reset, and it does work again. It's been 3 years since I was able to download BirdsEye imagery on this thing, and now it downloads just fine. So let's go take a look at what I just did. Here's how you reset your GPS to get BirdsEye to work. Setup, scroll all the way down to reset, delete all, or reset all settings. And when you scroll up, hit enter. What happens is you get your GPS completely resetting, and then now you have the opportunity to set everything back up again and then start downloading BirdsEye imagery. Okay? You can do this as many times as you need if BirdsEye stops working. Not the greatest solution, but it's a solution. Now that we've reset this, if you do have a inReach or any sort of other ant-related Garmin device, you will have to repair them with each other. It is what it is. Okay, so to download this location on BirdsEye, first what you'll do is you'll just go to menu, you'll go to menu again, you'll go to BirdsEye Direct, download imagery, and under location, use map. Just find a place real quick. Let's use this little lake right here. Lower Bear River Reservoir. All right, and now we're just going to use that by hitting enter one more time. And under radius, we're just going to make sure that we're under 10 miles. To make things quick, I'm going to set it to 2.5 miles. You can go to 9.5 miles and then choose another spot next to it if you want to continue grabbing things. But I just chose 2.5 miles. I'm going to go download high detail. Obviously, you could lower the detail if you want to have more of a radius on one download. And now you'll see that the BirdsEye imagery is downloading. Be about a minute. Helps when you don't cover up the Wi-Fi antenna with your thumb. Okay, you'll see that it just downloaded a 20 megabyte file. So I'm going to hit quit. I'm going to hit quit one more time. And you'll see that it goes from a blurry topo to an actual highly detailed BirdsEye satellite view with topo information. And now you got a whole lot more information on here. You got trails, you have better renderings. You can see where the ramps are at the reservoir if there are any. Okay, you get streets. Everything shows up much more nicely with BirdsEye on this 66 ST GPS map by Garmin. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Send this to a friend that has a Garmin GPS that has given up on downloading BirdsEye imagery.